Hi, I'm Brandon with Tampa Bay Water, and this is Kelton.
Hello.
Tampa Bay Water provides drinking water to Hillsborough County, Pasco County, and Pinellas County, and then they provide water to you. Most of the water in this region comes from the ground. It's in an underground layer of limestone called the Florida Aquifer that stores billions of gallons of drinking water for us. So let's conduct an experiment to see how our actions impact our groundwater sources. And the good news is, our experiment is also a dessert.
Okay, so here's what you need. 1 clear plastic cup. You can also cut a clear plastic disposable water bottle in half. 1 clear reusable drinking straw. Red food coloring. You can also use orange or grape soda. Flavored sparkling water. You can also use lemon lime soda. Vanilla ice cream or frozen yogurt. Coarse granola. You can also use crushed cookies, gummy bears, or chocolate chips. Smaller granola, like the one you see here, you can also use crushed granola or crushed cookies. Sprinkles, you can also use colored sugar. An ice cream scoop, and a spoon. Fill your clear plastic cup 1/3 full with the coarse granola. This layer represents the Florida Aquifer, the limestone layer that stores the water we drink. Now add the flavored sparkling water. You want to put it just about up to the top of the granola. This represents the water that's stored in the aquifer. Now add the layer of ice cream or frozen yogurt. This layer represents a layer of clay between the upper layers of sand and gravel. The confining layer can help protect the aquifer from pollution. Now add a layer of the crushed granola or the finer granola. And this represents the upper layers of sand and gravel. Now add the sprinkles. It's just a thin layer on top. It represents the layer of topsoil where you would place plants and shrubs or flowers in your yard. So the layers are complete, but we're not done yet. Let's add a little more sparkling water to show what happens when it rains. See how the water filters through the layers down to the aquifer? Now place your straw down through all of the layers. This represents drilling a deep well into the ground and into the aquifer. We use wells to pump water out for drinking. Now drink some of the water out through the straw. See how it's almost clear? This is what happens when we pump the water out for drinking. Now take some of the red food coloring and place several drops on the sprinkles layer. This represents pollutants, such as household chemicals, motor oil, pesticides, and fertilizers if we don't dispose of them properly. Now add a little bit more sparkling water. And this represents more rain. See how the rain mixes with the pollutants and seeps into the ground? Now take another drink through the straw. See how the water is no longer clear because it's mixed with the pollutants.
So we hope you had fun, and we hope you learned how your actions can impact our groundwater sources. And remember, it's important to dispose of pollutants properly. Help your parents do that by finding your local county recycling center. You can do that on our website at tampabaywater.org/protecting drinking water sources. Now reward yourself for a job well done and enjoy that delicious aquifer in a cup.